One key difference in the hi-fi system is in the back doors, they don't have tweeters, so you're just going to be replacing the mid. All right, so the back door is going to be essentially the same. Get a plastic trim tool into the little gap right here, pry your cover off, take one, two, take the screws out. You've got one screw here in the bottom of the back door, so take the one screw out of the bottom, so you'll have three total. Okay, and then work your plastic trim tool here under the edge, pry your door card off gently, rock it out, pull it off this upper edge and over the pin, and then I'll show you what that looks like. One key difference in the hi-fi system is in the back doors, they don't have tweeters, so you're just going to be replacing the mid. So go ahead and unplug it from the main wiring harness right here, pull those three pins, put the filter back on, install the new mid. All right, so just like that, the new mid is in. Just plug your wiring harness back into your door card, your Bowden cable back into the door pull. Test it before you fully secure your door card. Hang it off this top edge, bang those lead edges in, and then put in those three screws. One, two, three. Show you what it looks like when it's done, but it really is that simple. So at this point, you're a pro, so go ahead and get the other two doors done, passenger side, and then I'll show you what to do with the center channel. All right, so here is the center channel cover. I've already taken my plastic trim tool and gotten one corner up. I very gently get between the screen cover and the soft material of the center console. I always use plastic tools. I don't want to use metal to score this up. That would really suck. So go ahead and just work your way around. There's just a whole series of fingers that just hold it all in place just like that. Okay, so now in this case, this will look a little bit different than yours because, like I said, I did a temporary upgrade in this car. So this is actually an HK speaker and an HK tweeter. You will not have a tweeter in this case with the hi-fi. So I'm going to take this out. You can see the shape. So there's a bell on this tweeter, so it's pointed outwards. So I'll take this out, but you normally won't have that. So just take out your mid, install the filter, install the mid, install your new tweeter that's going to go into this place, and then you should be good to go. All right, so you can see the new mid and tweeter in. Super easy install. This is that one tweeter that doesn't have the foam around the outside and the plugs are on the bottom. So plug that all in with the filter and you're good to go. You put the cover back on by just pressing those fingers back down into place. And now we're going to do the driver's side subwoofer that's underneath the seat.